Welcome to another video from Destinations A to Z. I'm Glenn Bailey. Check out where we're at. We're here at Chubby's here in Sevierville, Tennessee. We're going to go in and check it out. We're going to see what they got to eat. We will let you know what it's like as soon as we get out and let you know how it rates. Check it out. Check out where we're at. We are in Sevierville, Tennessee, at none other than Chubby's restaurant. We'll show you where it's at here on the map. Let's scroll in. Right here is the main highway coming in off Interstate 40, Highway 66. This is where you go into Sevierville and continue on straight into Pigeon Forge. But as soon as you get into Sevierville, you take a left, and then Chubby's is up here on the left. Show you where it's at on the satellite. Right here you can see is the main Highway 66 coming in. And you can see it's just literally right up here on Dolly Parton Parkway. And then this road right here is Veterans Boulevard that goes out by Dollywood. So you can see it's very conveniently located. Scroll on in. You can see right here where it's at. At Chubby's restaurant, they have 4.7 stars with 849 reviews. Here's their address. 1386 Dolly Parton Parkway, Sevierville, Tennessee. And here's their hours. They're open 8 to 8 most every day except Sunday. They're open 8 to 3 on Sunday, and then they're closed on Monday. And then here is their website. Again, we've heard mixed reviews, but we're going to go in and check it out and let you know how it is ourselves. Let's get it going. Check it out. We got deep fried deviled eggs. We're going to try them out and see how they are. See how they compare to local goat. We will let you know. Check it out. We got meatloaf special here with coleslaw and mashed potatoes with gravy. And then we've got a Philly cheesesteak with some homemade onion rings. And we've got a chicken sandwich with some chips. So we're going to give it all a try and let you know. Here's what the restaurant atmosphere looks like inside of Chubby's. Just down home cooking. They do have some big screens up, obviously. We just finished eating here at Chubby's here in Sevierville, Tennessee. We had the meatloaf, we had chicken sandwich, and we also had the Philly cheesesteak with the deep fried deviled eggs. Everything was absolutely fabulous. Out of 5 stars, this place is definitely a 5-star restaurant. You don't want to miss it. You definitely want to come down and check it out. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, see you on the next one, and safe travels.